Hi, and welcome to a new product reveal from Whimsy Stamps. Today I am sharing the new EEK word and shadow die set. There are 3 separate dies in this set. We have our EEK with our exclamation point, an outline, and then the shadow with a wonderful stitched extra detail. You can bend these dies apart or use some wire cutters, and I'm going to go ahead and run this through my die cutting machine. Here we have our largest die cut, and this is the EEK with this stitched outline. Then we have the middle die, and then we have the word EEK and the exclamation point. I'm going to go ahead and put some of these together in a fun pattern with our new Halloween paper pack, and you can see how fun this word is with all of those different layers. It's so great to add to your Halloween cards, especially like this one, my little haunted house card. I have just the word EEK kind of across the sky coming out of the moon, right over that spooky house and trees. You can see all of the new releases by clicking on the links down below. You can also find our Facebook group where you can find even more inspiration using all of the new products from today's release. You can also find our Instagram and Pinterest. Thanks and happy shopping!